Hey friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page. If you are watching this, you're most likely on the replay, so hashtag replay, let us know that you're here. Let us know how your week went. Let us know if you're a first-time viewer or if you've been in the Essential Stencil community for a while, guys. I'm excited to be here with y'all again tonight. I am on every Friday night at 7 p.m. Central, and my name is Melissa from Junk and Craft Treasures. So these are our new designs right here, and like I said, we're going to do one of these tonight. So I think we're going to do a purple, pink mixed together with some black. Okay, so we're going to do some purple. Let me get some more out of there. All right, some pink, if it'll come out. It's kind of old. There we go. Got some pink. Like I said, never fails. There's always issues at one point or another, but just gotta. So I'm going to mix these colors. I may use a sponge. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I want a little bit lighter of a purple. The sponge might be better, but let's just start, right, y'all? And we can add in all the fun and blend it together, all that good stuff. That pink is really, really bright, so it's gonna it's gonna make it fun. Just a fun background for our stencil. So we're trying to, oh, that is a bright pink right there. Trying to kind of help with some of that too. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides purple. It's not gonna take that long compared to the black. And like I said, I'm just gonna take and bring some of that purple around the edge. Okay, so there we go. Okay, now let's get that dry. All right, let's give it a good little sanding. Okay, where are my stencils? Welcome, my pretties. I think that would be really cute. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm going to do a Welcome My Pretties, but before I do that, I want to grab, I'm going to use the Salem Sisters, and I want to use the Witch right here up at the very, very top, and then I'm going to use some of this Pretty down my broom. So let's just get started. Oh, this is what I was talking about. So in the little, we have Witch broomstick. I was thinking about going down the handle, but I didn't know which way I wanted to put my wording down the handle. I mean, I guess I could do it like that. And to me, the W needs to be up at the top. All right, so we've got our witch. If I could do Halloween and fall and Christmas all year long, I would, y'all. I love to do fun projects like this. All right, and then we're gonna add just a little, let's do the spider. And I'm gonna bring it with the bat kind of somewhat down, but not all the way. Y'all know me, I like to mix and match all my stencils. Okay, so we've got our lettering on there, and then I've got a little decal. And then what I'm gonna do in between is just add like a little piece of the web, just kind of lightly right there in the middle. Now let's do our Welcome Pretties, and then we'll add all of our fun embellishments. We'll add some bats, we'll add all kinds of things on here. And of course, each stencil would fit differently depending on which one you use. Some can go all the way up to the top. But this is a pretty good one because it's got like everything. It's got the hat, it's got the spiders. Okay, so we've got our Welcome My Pretties. And then I'm gonna grab from Witch. Oh, I forgot I wanted my Witch. I forgot I wanted my Witch up here in the center. Almost forgot that, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna grab some bats and some other things too. And back over here, I'm gonna lift that up and just get a little bit of the spider web. Like I said, I don't know about y'all, but this is like my favorite part. It's just kind of designing where all the elements are gonna go on the project. Just put a big bat right there. So cute. Right down here, because I can never stop. I can't stop. I want something in that corner right there. Okay. I was looking at it as it was sitting there, and I'm like, I need something else right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this project, I've got shoe. So it fits perfectly on the back of this arch. Let's make this one super easy. which I don't blame them. I know it gives them anxiety. Okay, let's do our shoe. I'm gonna do my shoe in black. That might not be the best thing, but we can always go back with white if it doesn't show up the way I want it to. Purple and then black lace, so I did it backwards. I think what I'm gonna do, in all honesty, I like that pink on there because it's a bright pink. So I'm either gonna do the pink or the green. Okay, so here is what the boot looks like that. You could go back through and do the white. Okay, what color did we decide? Do we want to do green? Won't make things as hard as they don't need to be, y'all. I'm kind of ignoring the bird, the raven on this one because I don't want to go all the way with that. Let's see what this is looking like. It looks cool, y'all. I know y'all are probably like, what in the world? That looks really cool. Okay. Do y'all see my vision now? That looks cool with that green. Then let's add, since we did the green, we're gonna do black and green shadowing for our words, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm a glutton for, actually, that actually fits, y'all, so I'm not gonna have to do much modification. Okay, so let's do, okay, so we have if the shoe fits, and now we're gonna, I kind of did it over to the side with the other. Now we're gonna add some of that whimsy that we had on our other ones with like the little stars, and the whimsy stuff. Add as filler. So we've got the little pop of green on here if the shoe fits, and then some stars, all the fun things. Let's do one of the little mini tags real quick, y'all. Let's do Frankie. I got these wood pieces from Craft Deals. All right, see how quick we stenciled that on, or painted that. So this will be a quick project. Yeah, I think so too. And I just want to see, I want to show y'all how easy this multi-layer stencil is, like I think it's going to be. Okay, so we're just going to take this, we're going to line this right up on our tag, and we're going to do our green. Y'all, I had just enough paint left, so it's meant to be. Over it one more time. So we just peel that off, and we have our green. And then we'll come through, and we're going to line it up again. And y'all, I don't have my glasses on, so if I missed a spot, don't yell at me. Ah, my goodness. Look how cute that is. And then you just put a piece of twine through the top of it, and then you can tie this to whatever you're using. We have our if the shoe fits with the larger shoe and the spider web background, I guess that's what it's called. I don't have it in front of me. And then we did our fun broom for this year, because we do a broom every year, guys. I hope y'all had a good time tonight. I hope you enjoyed. Y'all have a great weekend. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.